Good morning, my dear students. In this language function, once again today, let us see expressing gratitude. Here, expressing gratitude is nothing but here thankfulness. What we say, thankfulness. ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಉಪಕಾರ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ. ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಉಪಕಾರ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಪಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಸೊ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು ಹೇಳುವುದು, ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ polite nature in our personality. Then only we can come up in this society, and our personality will be highlighted. So gratitude, expressing gratitude. What is gratitude? See here, gratitude allows us to recognize good in our lives. Good in our life. So gratitude, what it is, allows us to recognize, identified goodness, good in our lives, life, nature. So focusing on and appreciating the good in our lives constantly reminds us about great things and all around us. See, to identify my nature, I have to adopt, and also what it is, reminds us about great things all around us. So that is what here, try to understand this meaning. Here gratitude means focusing on or appreciating the good in our lives. People who have done a good one, we have to support them, appreciate them doing that good one. Good in our lives constantly reminds us about great things all around us. So that is what here, surrounding. See, I am not living only means alone on this earth. So surrounding, we human beings, we have to appreciate one another if they have done good thing. So all these are the things which is very important to build up and to have a character in our personality. So that is what here. Gratitude allows us to recognize good in our lives, focusing on and appreciating the good in our lives, constantly remind us about great things all around us. So that is what here, gratitude. And then second one, gratitude allows us to see that the sources of that good are usually close by. Practicing gratitude allows us to recognize those who bring goodness into our lives and humbles us in order to give credit to those we are grateful for. Credit. So that is what here, another here meaning, what it is means, gratitude allows us to see that the sources of that good, sources, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಇಡುವುದು. See, whatever the value we have in us, to see that the sources of that good are usually close by. Practicing gratitude allows us to recognize. If I say a person who is done help to me, that I should remain. Simply taking help from him is not enough. Something means here at least I should respond with what? Thank you, thanks. All this in your communication. So one should have this one. ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ we have to develop. So in this language function, it is also plays very important role. So gratitude allows us to see that the sources of that good are usually close by. Practicing gratitude allows us to recognize those who bring goodness into our lives and humbles us in order to give credit to those who are grateful for. So that is gratitude. ಅದೇ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಭಾವ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ. ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ, ಏನು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, how to express gratitude. So in your workbook it is there, you can go through, but before that I have to explain, then easily you can do that in language functions. So how to express gratitude? So remember according to what here? Age group, position, people, persons, we have to respond suitable. What here? Words, expressions, express of what? Gratitude. How to express gratitude? Thanks, sincere thanks, thank you. See, thank you is one of the magic word, one of the magic words in the English language. It spreads smiles on faces. ಆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅನ್ನೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ in the English language. It spreads smiles on faces. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಾಕು, enough. That smiles comes on them, if we say. Ade Kritagnate Bhava. So that is what here. Expressing gratitude is essential. So thanks, sincere thanks, thank you, I am indebted you, you are the best, say according to age. For elders we cannot. You are the best. You rock. See, you rock. Rock. What would I do without you? See, that situation, I told you whom to express. Age group, age group. See, what would I do without you? To say thank you is not enough. If it is extremely good one, help done by him, we can say. To say thank you is not enough. I can't thank you enough. Much more than that. ಈ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅನ್ನೋದರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್. To say thank you is not enough. I can't thank you enough. I truly appreciate. I truly appreciate. If the work done by him, I have to tell him, I truly appreciate the work, what you have done. So at that time, so according to the situation, to whom we are speaking, correct expressions of gratitude we have to use. I truly appreciate. I appreciate what you are done for me. So I appreciate what you are done for me. I am grateful. See, I am grateful. See these words. All these words we have to remember. Whenever the time comes, we have to use. Then it will remain in our mind. I am grateful. You have been very helpful. That was very kind of you. See this? That was very kind of you. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being there for me. So these are all what here? Expressions. All these are the expressions we have to use. So that is what here? Expressing gratitude. Starting conversation, making requests, and today already I have completed starting conversation, and in my previous class making request. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ, ಇದೂ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ expressing gratitude. So all these are the what essential in our what character, personality. So here, that was very kind of you. Thank you for being there for me. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. See? So that is, these are the words which build relationship strongly. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು. it's you. If anyone deserves thanks, it's you. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. I hope that you are what following what I am explaining. So that is the thing here. Thanks for being thoughtful. Thanks for being thoughtful. See, simple phrases which gives more energy to build up good relation. What you have done means a lot of me. What you have done means a lot of me. I want to thank you for all the support and concern. I want to thank you for all the support and concern. What you have done means a lot of me. So like that here, these are all the words you have to use while expressing gratitude. So here meaning of this one here, what is gratitude means this, and also how to express gratitude, thanks, sincere thanks, thank you, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. What you have done means a lot of me. So all these are the phrases that you have to use while speaking, and thank you is one of the best one in English language. So let us here go to this workbook. In your workbook here they have given page number 76, 77 and 78. So that you have to do yourself. That's some exercise they have given in your workbook. Even we should know here whatever these expressions of gratitude I told you, there also formal and informal comes. So whom to say? Formal, informal, that we should know. So that is what here. Let us see here. At bank, expressing gratitude. So in this, Joe, Abdullah, they are speaking at the bank. Here at the bank. Could you lend me your pen for a moment, please? Could you lend me your pen for a moment, please? Abdullah. Oh, sure. Joe. After filling in the check while returning, thank you. See here gratitude. Thank you. Abdullah. For that, respond should be there. Not at all. It's all right. Not at all. So this is what here conversation. So expressing gratitude means here after you will fill this check, and while returning what you will say, thank you. So that is the what here gratitude. Even Sumand is waiting at the bus stop. His friend Ramamurthy going the same way stops his bike. So let us see Sumand and Ramamurthy. So Ramamurthy, see this one. Hi, because friends. Hi Sumand, waiting for the bus? Sumand. Hi Ramamurthy, yes, it is getting late to college. Ramamurthy, don't worry, I am going the same way. Can I drop you? Can I drop you? Sumant. Getting on the bike. Look here. Thanks. Thank you, thanks, because they are what? Friend. So, thanks. See, whom to use? Thanks, thank you, thanks a lot. That also we have to remember. So, Sumant, getting on the bike, thanks. Getting down, thank you, see you, bye. Leave taking, thank you, see you, bye. Thanks, thank you. These are all what? Gratitude, showing gratitude. See you, bye. Ramamurthy, it's okay. Responding of that what? Gratitude, it's okay, see you. It's okay, see you. So, like this here, what the exercise they have given, you have to do yourself. In page 77, complete the following conversation. An old woman and a young man, that you have to fill it, write it. Between two friends, conversation. Father and daughter, conversation. So, only what you should do means here that gratitude words, already I told you so many examples, expressions of what here? Gratitude, expressing those gratitude words, I told you. So, there you have to fill it between two friends and father and daughter and passerby, a passerby and man on the street. So, at that time what you can? You read that conversation and which word, phrase will come in that blank, write it. I hope that you have understood this what expressing gratitude. So, in my next class, once again another next function, means language function topic, once again I will continue with a new topic in this language function itself. Okay, thank you.